Hey, let me show you what to do if your songs doesn't actually appear in the Huawei Health application and you cannot transfer it to your Watch Fit 5 Pro or Watch Fit 5. So first of all, the most important thing, you will have to open Files, Google Files or File Manager on your phone, and you have to open that full internal storage. Now, what you have to do is just to search for your music that you want to transfer. For example, I want to put those two files, and now we have to simply copy them. And the destination path, we have to go for a music folder. Click to copy here, and now you will have to close both applications, File Manager, but also the Huawei Health application. Sometimes you will also need to restart your phone. Then go into the music, now click to Manage Music, and you have to click on the Add Songs, and now tap on it, click here, and wait until the transfer will be finished. But also, if it is not working for you, as you can see now, it works for me, but if it doesn't work for you, just go for the settings on your phone, go to the applications screen, now search for the Huawei Health application, and just make sure that your phone got permission to get access, actually here for permissions, to get access to the music and the audio. You will have to allow just like that.